I'm so shy right now. So okay, I don't care the way I look right now, but I just received an order for 100 scrunchies. Yes, you heard it right. I got an order for 100 scrunchies. Last, मुझे लगता है previous जो मेरा bulk order था, I think so maximum I got an order for 25 scrunchies. And उसके बाद this 100 scrunchies is my biggest order. I actually forgot the name of the small business who ordered from me. I'll mention it right here, so you can also go and check out her page. Anyways, I'm actually very excited. I'm also thinking कि मैं ये एक दिन में कैसे बनाऊँ. एक दिन means, you know what? I don't know. I feel like I just want to do it quick and give it to my customer. तो मेरे से 2-3 दिन वेट कराया नहीं जाता. I just want to do it as fast as possible. So yeah, वही सोच रही हूँ how am I going to pack these 100 scrunchies because I don't have big boxes kind of thing. Anyways, I think so I need to get to work now. So yeah, this is going to be a fun vlog for the first 100 scrunchies. I can't imagine. So before starting to sew all those scrunchies, I thought that I have this box of scrunchies और इसमें से I can give some of the scrunchies which are in a really good condition. And in a really good condition, I mean like I use these scrunchies for my photo shoot basically. तो ये सब as you can see they are in a good condition. और ये green scrunchies I don't think so anyone has ever bought. तो I can give these और शायद 10 scrunchies I can give her which are in really good condition. मैंने निकाल के भी रखे हैं. So I have this tub in front of me जो भी बना के I'm just gonna throw in this. Hopefully इसमें 100 scrunchies आ जाएंगे. This is like the most beautiful scrunchie and sadly ये last piece था. It's going and if you wanted this color I feel like you are too late. Let's see, अभी इतना ऑर्डर आया. मोस्ट ऑफ माई स्क्रंचीज आर आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. तो न्यू फैब्रिक इज कमिंग ऑन इट्स वे. सो देयर इज वन मोर गुड न्यूज आई वांटेड टू से. 5 मिनट अगो आई जस्ट गॉट एन ऑर्डर फॉर 2 rose gold butterfly necklaces from Disha. Gladly she's like my 100th order. Yes, your girl just passed 100 orders. Because when I was starting this business, मुझे बोला गया था कि this business is going to be a flop and all that. So keeping that in mind, anyways, just leave the past. I have completed 100 orders. तो आज double party होने वाली है. 100 scrunchies and 100 orders. So I'm really happy. Let's go and make the scrunchies now. So basically I just removed all the scrunchies which I had made and these are totally 14 of them. So they've basically saved quarter of my time. So मैं थोड़ा, so basically I don't have to make like all 100. I have to make about like 86 or something. I don't know if my math is correct or not. But yeah, these have saved almost quarter of my time and don't worry, these are all in good conditions. And yeah, come on, finally कुछ scrunchie बनाते हैं. Okay, so I basically made 4 of these white scrunchies. Just look how fluffy they are. And I made 5 of these blue and green organza ones. Can you see? They are super fluffy. When are you ordering your scrunchies? अभी कितने और बनाने हैं? I don't know. I told her like I'll ship it like the next day, पर मुझे शायद एक पूरा दिन लगने वाला है. I have 2 more orders. I think so. I'm going to ship them tomorrow. And इसका मेरे को ना एक दिन पूरा लेना पड़ेगा. Let's see what happens. Guess who is singing this? तो मेरी मम्मी ने actually she downloaded which app?
Star Maker. Why are you laughing? I can sing, huh?
She basically downloaded the Star Maker app.
I downloaded the Star Maker so that I can try on my singing skills. लेकिन जब मैंने first song गाया and after that I heard तो मैंने फटाफट से अनइंस्टॉल कर दिया कि किसकी आवाज है। नहीं, बट आई इंस्टॉल्ड अगेन. Never give up. I always believe in never give up. I will keep on singing, and I will improve my singing skill.
Anyways, that was a fun little clip.
I am getting comments, fabulous singing, awesome. So I got motivated and I am singing one song daily now.
अबे साले
Don't laugh challenge. Hey, do not laugh challenge. काय केलं इतना हंस रहे तुम?
Meanwhile,
So it's been around 3 hours. I've been making so many. I think so it's around 39, 40 scrunchies. And I think so this is the last batch I'm going to make for tonight. This is all the reds and I think so ये pink वाला भी हो जाएगा. So anyways, my battery is in a very good condition. Let's check out the time lapse. Finally managed to make the last batch of the scrunchies for tonight. और मेरी आँख, like I thought I would be done till 11 o'clock, but it is 11:45. This is what I managed to complete by today. Actually ये वाला मुझे करना था. I totally forgot. Yeah, this is like the last piece and the floral pink scrunchies are out of stock. I'm gonna count these all कि total कितने हैं. These are 37. That means my counting was wrong. Yes, I think so. I'm going to be done for tonight. मैं कल जल्दी उठ के भी कर सकती हूँ. I hope कल तक 50 हो जाए या 60 भी हो जाए. Then I'm completely done. Yes, I think so. 6 hours में I made around 30 scrunchies. तो कल तक हो जाना चाहिए. So I'll meet you tomorrow. Good night. I actually took a short break. I had my breakfast. I went and shipped out 2 orders and और भी थोड़ा कुछ काम था. I had to get more elastic because 100 scrunchies में and some धागा because धागा इतना use हो रहा है, especially white color. And yeah, it's 10:30 right now. At 11 o'clock I'm gonna start doing again. I think so ये दिन भी पूरा आज अंदर बैठ के ही होने वाला है. So yeah, let's go start again. Last scrunchie at the moment. It's about 3:45. After this I'm just gonna have like a small nap क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है I've got cold. I need to eat the medicine and just go to sleep. I started working at about 12 o'clock. It's been almost 4 hours. So I think so ये last one is going to be about 65 scrunchies I've totally made. तो आज रात तक I think so I should complete 80. In case you want to see my updated bucket, this is what my bucket looks like. So I think so I've completed around 7 scrunchies. Recently made this green scrunchie ka batches and I think so I am close to 70. I think so I'm 69, 68. So I think so I should complete either by 75 today and maybe start it tomorrow morning again. पता नहीं कल तक 100 हो पाएगा या नहीं और maybe I'm going to take one more day. But yeah, I think so. I don't want to make this video like super long. So I'll meet you once I complete all the 100 scrunchies. Hello and welcome back. It's been around 2 days. Today is Tuesday night. Actually मेरा 100 scrunchies बना के afternoon में ही हो गया था. But I actually wanted to shoot this shot. तो अभी finally शांति है घर में. So I'm shooting this. Yes, I have completed my 100 scrunchies. I feel so proud. Actually मेरा shoulder 2 दिन से बहुत दुख रहा था. Anyways, look at my updated tub of scrunchies. Anyways, मेरी जो दूसरी टेंशन थी, पहली टेंशन थी how am I, in how many days will I complete this scrunchies. So finally 2 दिन, I still can't imagine in 2 days I made 100 scrunchies. Second टेंशन थी कि मैं ये सब पैक किस में करूँ. So I finally got a big cardboard box मिल गया रिटेलर्स के शॉप से. सो आई थिंक सो दिस इज वेरी गुड. सो या आई एम गोना पैक दिस. और कुछ तो करने नहीं वाली. आई एम गिविंग हर सम फ्रीबीज, चॉकलेट्स और मेरा जो बिजनेस कार्ड रहता है. Okay, so anyways, everything is just packed. The parcel is ready to go, as well as I got one more order. तो वो कल ship करना है. Anyways, this was so good. 2 fun days कि मुझे continuously I had to make scrunchies. I woke up at like 7 o'clock, started making them, and रात 11 o'clock तक I used to make. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching. It would turn out like a very super cool video. So okay, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Okay, anyways, these people are just gonna irritate me all the time. Anyways, bye bye.